If you'd like to see how I got my hair from this crazy mess to this super defined gorgeousness with no finger function, stay tuned. Hey my flower buds, welcome to Wheelie Lovely TV. It's me, Shara G, and if it's your first time here, I would love for you to become a flower bud and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos about my life as a disabled woman whose passions include makeup, skincare, travel, cooking, and everything in between. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to start off, I'm using a scalp scrubber to loosen up any debris on my scalp before I actually start shampooing it. I noticed that when I use the scalp scrubber in the shower, my hair would become extremely tangled. So using it beforehand is definitely a better process for me. Sometimes I will apply my DIY castor oil mix before using the scrubber, so all of those awesome nutrients can penetrate my scalp and promote hair growth, because girl, Rapunzel is the goal. I also use this scrubber to give my hair some extra volume so I can channel my inner diva. Next up, I'm using water in a spray bottle to loosen up some of the knots in my hair. If you have fine curly hair like mine, we definitely have some shared trauma dealing with all of these tangles. Then I go in and I use my hands in my version of the praying hands method to smooth the water through my hair before I even pick up the comb. I go ahead and part my hair in the middle to create two different sections for easier detangling. I have to admit, guys, that detangling is the most strenuous part of my wash day, and you can see why. It is a bird's nest up in here. Did you guys know that September is CMT Awareness Month? What is CMT, you may ask? Well, CMT stands for Charcot Marie Tooth, which is the reason why I am a full-time wheelchair user and I do not have dexterity in my fingers. It is the genetic neurological condition that I have been living with my entire life. Now, if you have any questions regarding my condition, go ahead and leave them in the comment box below, and I will answer them all in an upcoming Q&A video. Believe me, I am not shy when it comes to my disability, so feel free to ask away. Next is the curly girl's holy grail, and that is conditioner. Today I'm using the Shea Moisture Boost conditioner, but you can definitely use any conditioner that has some really great slip. I've used Tresemme and other cheapy conditioners in the past, and they work really great for detangling. So now I'm just doing some finger detangling and getting out all of those knots in my nape area. And it's finally time to pick up the comb and start combing out my hair section by section. When I switch to the left side of my head, I have to use a different technique with my hands, but I still get the job done.
3 hours later.
So now I am finally done pre-detangling my hair. I just washed my hair with shampoo, and now I'm applying a DIY shea butter treatment that I made. As you'll see further along in the video, I'm still tweaking the recipe a bit, but once I get it perfected, I will go ahead and share it with you guys because it left my hair so soft and so moisturized. So here goes one of the more challenging parts of my hair washing process, and that is putting my hair into a bun on each side. I definitely have to give myself a little pep talk before I start doing this because it does take multiple tries before I actually am able to create a bun. Sometimes, honestly, I really don't know how I'm even able to do this because I don't have control of my fingers at all. But somehow I make it work. I twist my hair around as much as possible, and then I get a little boost from gravity and hold my head to the side so my little bun doesn't fall over. And then I'm able to grab my clip and clip it right into place. I was so happy when I actually got it done because I got it on the first try. Yes. Now the other side was a complete different story, girl. After about the 5th try, I was no doubt frustrated. But I knew that if I could do one side, I could definitely do the other. So I just took a breather and I tried again. I just tell myself, girl, you are resilient, you are a fighter, you got this, and nothing is going to stop you. Of course, there are good days and bad days with my disability, but for the most part, my disability definitely inspires me to keep pushing forward, keep moving no matter what. So I know that if I'm inspired by my own self, that others would see me as inspirational as well. I used to have such a big issue with being seen as an inspiration for merely existing and doing what people do every day, but I'm really starting to realize that my situation and the situation of millions of other disabled people is a very unique experience, in that we face challenges in almost everything that we do, but we're still able to live our lives to the fullest. So I'm learning to embrace being seen as an inspiration, because disability does not have to be a story of tragedy. It can be a story of triumph, and that has definitely been my mantra of late. So in order to lock all of those nutrients in, I'm going to go ahead and cover my head with a plastic cap, and I am heading to bed because I am tired, okay? It's been a long day. And I will see you tomorrow.
2 days later.
So it turns out that the treatment that I put in my hair, my homemade shea butter treatment, I definitely need to tweak it a little bit more because it's leaving these flakes in my hair. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and hop in the shower now and shampoo it again. I'm actually going to follow up with some Creso Pelo, which is a Dominican conditioner. It makes your hair like silk. I love it so much. It smells really, really strong. At the same time, it makes your hair super silky. I'm not sure if it's paraben free or all that stuff. I just know it works on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair again. And just to let you guys know, I don't have a camera set up in my shower. I'm still working that out. But I wanted to show you guys how I wash my hair. So I use the palms of my hands to wash my hair. Of course, I put the shampoo in my scalp and so forth, and then I just go through and wash it like this, and then all around and so forth. And yeah, that's how I do it. I usually wash my hair twice with shampoo. So yeah, so hopefully I could get a setup soon where I can bring you guys into my hair washing experience. instead of just a demo, but you know, hopefully, but one day we'll get there. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and wash this out with shampoo, and then I'm going to come back and apply this conditioner and let it set for a little bit. So luckily I was able to get all of the residue out from my hair, thank goodness. And now I'm going in and applying the Crespo Pelo. Man, that thing is so strong, it could knock you out, but it's really, really sweet though. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it in my hair and smooth it all over. Now I'm just combing the product through, and it makes my hair so easy to detangle. I absolutely love this conditioner. I am just loving how little hair is in my comb. So after about 3 hours under the plastic cap, I washed out the Crespo Pelo. And my hair is looking super moisturized. And now I'm going to add in my favorite leave-in conditioner, the Aunt Jackie's Quench. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner, but I'm definitely open to trying other options for high porosity hair. So if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely try them out. I do not rock with the middle part because I am a part of the big forehead gang, okay? So I do not do middle parts. So I'm carving out my side part right now. And I realized doing this after I put in the leave-in conditioner makes my hair less flat and it has way more volume. Really big fan of the deep side part, so I am going in and carving that a little bit deeper to my liking. I really love a deep side part. It just does something to my features. I feel like it flatters my features so very well. Now I'm going to use my comb to distribute all of the leave-in conditioner throughout to the ends of my hair. Especially since my ends are colored, they definitely need the most moisture and conditioning. So the final product that I'll be using in my hair today is the olive oil wrap and set mousse. I love this mousse because it does not make my hair crunchy. It gives it a great hold, but it's still soft and shiny. So all of the products and tools that I use today will be in the description box below. I am an Amazon associate, so I do receive a small commission anytime you click on one of my links, but I would never recommend anything that I do not stand behind. Figuratively speaking, of course. I recently started shingling the front of my hair with the mousse in order to create more definition and volume, and I have to say that it's made such a difference. Okay, so I am done now applying the setting mousse to my hair, and I'm just waiting for it to form a cast. It's after midnight right now, so I am going to wait a couple of hours. I'm a night owl, so it's no big deal for me. But I'll wait a couple of hours until it's dry, and then I'm going to put a bonnet on and go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow with the finished look. So it is the next day, but I lied. The look is not quite finished just yet. Of course, I have to whip out the trusty pick that is going to bring my hair to new heights. If you are a fine hair girl like me, you know exactly what I mean. We just need a little bit of help in the volume area. And check out these final results. No more crunchy, dry hair. It's looking so juicy, so moisturized and detangled, and I'm just loving the curls. Thank you so much for watching my channel. and stay tuned for weekly videos from me, Shara G. Remember to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Until next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.